Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I want to say a few words about Berry dashboard, which is the latest Flask seed project provided by us. This time the code base comes with some new features that I will explain in this video, and also I want to say that this code base will be integrated into all our Flask projects, free or commercial. Let's take a look at the features that comes with it with this provided by this product. Of course, up-to-date dependencies. The UI kit, we are always using a nice and actively maintained UI kit from a well-known agency. In this case, is Berry Bootstrap provided by Coded Teams. The product comes with the persistent dark mode, which is can be used and is persistent across when we change the pages, which is super nice and provides a good user experience. We have a small evolution here regarding the database layer. Of course, the product can be used using MySQL, SQLite, or PostgreSQL, but the evolution is the silent fallback to SQLite in case the MySQL or Postgre setup is not properly defined, or the driver is not database driver is not installed into the application. So in all cases, the application will try to have a successful setup and just drop some error message and warning messages to the application logs. Okay, the database tools are the ones provided also in the previous versions. We have the SQL Alchemy ORM and also Flask Migrate in order to move up and down between database migrations. Authentication is a simple authentication session based. So other things that are new starting with this version is the continuous integration, continuous deployment flow using rendered deployment platform, and I will demonstrate during this video how can we go live with this product without any effort, just by in case anyone has an account on Render, you just need to fork the repository and you are good to go with the product live without without any other configuration or efforts. Another thing is the CDN support in case you need blazing fast application, and the CDN feature helps you to have a faster loading time across all the continents. Starting with this version, you just need to add in the environment file the CDN domain used by provided by your CDN service, and also the debug in this case should be set to false, which means the application runs in production mode. Okay, let's take a look at the demo. The UI looks super nice in my opinion. This is the dark mode. We can see that when we change the pages, dark mode is there. Of course, we can enable or disable the dark mode without issues. Okay, once we can create users and so on, and the application comes with Bootstrap 5 framework, many widgets, components, charts, and other things. And might be important to say that the product is released under the MIT license, and anyone can use it for a commercial project or simply for e-learning activities. Okay, let's make a fork of the on this project and just deploy the product using render platform. I will duplicate the project here. I will use a unique name under my account. Okay. Now we need to wait in order to get the new repository provisioned by GitHub. Okay, Now the continuous deployment is managed by this YAML file, which requires a small editing. Here the name of the name of the service should be updated in order to be unique across render subdomains. In this case, I will use just the same name as the repository, and this is the only configuration we need in order to have a successful deployment. Let's access the render platform. For newcomers, render platform it's a Heroku-like service, and we are using render as a deployment infrastructure and the deployment automation behind AppSeed. We've choose the render because they have a decent pricing and the interface, and also the API. It's super easy to be. It's mature. It's scalable. You can deploy the application in many areas, US, Europe, and so on. In this case, the region is Frankfurt, because we choose Frankfurt because it's we have also European clients, also US clients, and also from Asia. And Frankfurt is a super important data center, which is basically positioned in the middle. Okay, let's deploy the product. I will just get the URL of the repository and drop it here in this box. I will use also the repository name as the service name in this input field, and I will confirm the action by clicking apply. Okay, so basically this is the this is the configuration required by the deployment, and we can check out here the compilation status. We can see here that we don't have any error messages, and render is complying, building the product. Usually the process should not take more than 2 minutes. And of course, if the process is successful, but I need to say that all our projects are tested before each release, and in case anyone used the project, we are 100% confident that the project can be deployed in production without issues. In all cases, we have here a link to the support service. Also, the link is listed here on AppSeed in the top section of the website. Just click on it and feel free to chat with us, send us an email, and also we can provide live support using Discord. Okay, let's go back to the application and check out the deployment status. We can see here that the build was successful, and the render flagged the deployment as being live. Another thing that we need to check is to go here in the settings section, and we have this automatic deploy auto deploy feature, which basically forces the deploy of the application at each commit. I will disable this because I want to have full control over the application and just deploy whatever version I want. We can see here that using this manual deploy, we can select the latest commit or a specific commit, and it's super easy to select the version. Let's access the live deployment. You can see here that the application is deployed under the subdomain on render using the same name as the service. We need to create, of course, a new user. AppSeed. I will use a dummy password. Okay, again, and we're in. Basically, the application is up and running. I didn't do much. I just for the project edit that render YAML file, and we are live here on render. And also the application is we can deploy and redeploy the application just by clicking here in the interface. So guys, thanks for watching. The product, as I said before, is free, is released under the MIT license. Feel free to use it. Tell us what modules are missing. Tell us what you think about this bulk set of features that will be soon integrated in all our kits. And in all cases, we are super grateful for all the feedback, and always try to help the community and provide a good and improved quality for all our projects. Thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed, and I wish you all a super day. And soon the 2022 will end, and I wish you all also happy New Year and nice holidays with your family. Bye, guys.